Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up stop loss on Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to go uh, and make sure that your account is set up and simply make sure that you have completed signing up, verified your identity and that you have the funds so you can trade the stocks. After that, all we need to do is just to go to the invest panel. So here you will have the bottom menu and you will need just to go to the trading tab or the investing tab. And simply here you will find the list of all the stocks that you would like. So from here you will be able to choose the stock and then you can also set up the limit order or the stop loss for your stocks. And basically, all we need to do is just to choose any stock. For example, this one. By going to this stock, you will have all the statistics, etc. And basically, where you can buy from the stock, you will need just to click on trade. By clicking on trade, you will have three options that will appear: buy and sell and option trade. Basically, you will need just to click on buy. By clicking on buy, you will add the price, etc. But there will be another option that will be in the corner top, which is called uh, the buy option. And basically, by clicking on the button on the corner top, you will find that setup or stop loss or set uh, stop loss or set limit order. So basically from there, you will need just to choose set limit order and you can choose the limit price that you would like and the size, of course, for your stocks. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.